How many times have you wished for a magic wand to simplify your work, to just make everything flow smoother, faster, and with less friction? We used to feel like that every single day. Our team, spread across different locations, juggling client calls, internal meetings, and a deluge of emails, was constantly battling communication breakdowns. Missed messages, dropped calls, endless email chains trying to coordinate a simple project. It was a chaotic symphony of inefficiency. We were spending more time managing our communication tools than actually communicating. Our productivity was taking a hit, and frankly, so was our sanity. We knew there had to be a better way, but every solution we tried felt like patching a leaky boat with a Band-Aid. We needed something comprehensive, something that could truly revolutionize how we connected, collaborated, and got things done. And then we found RingCentral. Now, before you think this is just another tech review, let me tell you, this isn't about the features alone. This is about the transformation. It's about how a single platform didn't just add a new tool to our arsenal, but fundamentally rewired our entire workflow, turning that chaotic symphony into a well-orchestrated, harmonious masterpiece. So, how exactly did RingCentral achieve this seemingly impossible feat? The first and most immediate impact was the unified communication hub. Before RingCentral, we were bouncing between a dedicated desk phone for incoming calls, a separate app for internal team chats, another for video conferencing, and of course email for everything else. Imagine the mental gymnastics. With RingCentral, all of that converged into one intuitive interface. Our desk phones became an extension of the system, seamlessly integrated with our computers and mobile devices. A client calls the main line. It rings on our desk phone, our computer, and our mobile. We can answer from wherever we are, ensuring no call is missed. Internal team members need to chat. We use the built-in messaging, complete with file sharing and at mentions to keep conversations focused. Need to jump on a quick video call with a colleague or a client? It's a single click away. This consolidation alone was a game changer. It eliminated the constant tab switching, the mental load of remembering which platform to use for which type of communication. It was like finally having one remote control for 100 different devices. Beyond just centralizing our communication channels, RingCentral revolutionized our team collaboration. Previously, project updates often involved a confusing mix of emails, fragmented chat messages, and sometimes even in-person check-ins for distributed team members. Now, we leverage RingCentral's integrated team messaging and collaboration spaces. Each project has its own dedicated group chat where we share updates, documents, and brainstorm ideas in real time. The ability to create dedicated channels for specific teams or projects means discussions are always relevant and easily searchable. We can share files directly within the chat, ensuring everyone has access to the latest versions. This has drastically reduced the need for long email threads and the "who has the latest version?" scramble. Decisions are made faster, information flows more freely, and everyone stays on the same page, regardless of their physical location. Then there's the sheer power of video conferencing and screen sharing. Before RingCentral, setting up a video call often involved sharing meeting links, ensuring everyone had the right software installed, and then dealing with inevitable technical glitches. RingCentral's video conferencing is incredibly robust and user-friendly. High-definition video, crystal-clear audio, and seamless screen sharing capabilities have transformed our virtual meetings. We use it for client presentations, internal team meetings, and even quick daily stand-ups. The ability to share our screens instantly and collaborate on documents in real time has made our remote interactions as productive, if not more so, than in-person meetings. It's reduced travel time and expenses, allowing us to connect with clients and team members globally with ease. And let's not forget the often underestimated power of voicemail to text. This feature, while seemingly small, has had a disproportionately large impact on our efficiency. No longer do we have to painstakingly listen to every voicemail, often rewinding to catch a detail. RingCentral transcribes voicemails into text, sending them directly to our email or the app. This means we can quickly scan voicemails, prioritize urgent messages, and respond more efficiently, even in situations where listening to a voice message isn't feasible. It's a huge time saver and ensures we never miss a crucial detail from a client or colleague. The impact extends to our customer service and client interactions as well. With the unified platform, incoming client calls can be routed intelligently to the right team member, even if they're working remotely. The ability to see client history and past interactions within the platform allows us to provide more personalized and efficient support. We can switch from a call to a chat, or even a video call, seamlessly, adapting to the client's preferred communication method. This has undoubtedly improved our client satisfaction and strengthened our relationships. Perhaps the most significant change, however, is the increased flexibility and mobility it has afforded our team. With RingCentral, our office isn't just a physical space anymore. It's wherever we are. Whether we're working from home, on the road, or at a client site, we have full access to our communication tools. We can make and receive calls, participate in team chats, and join video conferences, all from our mobile devices. This has been invaluable for maintaining productivity and continuity, especially in an increasingly remote-friendly work environment. It's empowered our team to work smarter, not just harder, and to truly embrace a more flexible work-life balance. In essence, RingCentral didn't just give us a new set of tools. It gave us a new way of working. It streamlined our processes, eliminated redundancies, and fostered a culture of seamless communication and collaboration. The constant friction we once experienced has been replaced with a smooth, efficient flow. Our productivity has soared, our team feels more connected, and our clients are experiencing a higher level of service. It's truly been a transformative journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.